All right, what's going on, guys? So in this short video, I'm just going to be cutting down 3 big branches. You can kind of already see them on the video, but I'm going against the natural light. So anyway, so it's going to be this one, this big one, it's going to be that one, and then it's going to be the small one right there. So I'm going to set you guys up. Today I'm using my dewalt battery powered pole saw. I think it's 10 foot, something like that, but anyways, I'm just gonna tackle this job real quick and be on my way. So those branches are gone, and I'm just going to be cleaning up, and then I'll be out of here. Alright guys, that is that. Got it all cleaned up. Gonna pack up. These are the 3 branches. Got 1, 2, and then 1 was up higher. Going that way. 3. So thanks for watching. That was a dewalt pole saw, battery powered, and one of those branches was 10 inches in diameter. Yeah, it's pine, so softwood, and it was dead, but it's still pretty cool. So I'm gonna grab my ladder and then get out of here. Thanks for watching. Silva Under Pressure. Like, comment, subscribe. I just hit 450 subscribers and I'm on my way. See ya.